Shibadoge price prediction 2024. What will be the worth of Shibadoge in 2024? How much can you make with Shibadoge if you decide to hold your Shibadoge token till the end of 2024? Now, a lot of crypto billionaires make their money by holding coins. Now, so many people will tell you holding coins, buying these coins when they are actually trading at a very low price and selling them off when they are trading at a very high price. Now, we have crypto investors who normally invest in crypto industry just to make money every day, every week, every month. But a long time investors can become millionaires, just like Shiba Inu made a lot of people millionaires. And now imagine those who actually bought Shiba Inu when Shiba Inu was trading with about 12 zeros and 10 zeros, and these people were actually selling off their Shiba Inu immediately. They wouldn't have made a lot of money. Now, people who really make money with Shiba Inu were the people that bought Shiba Inu token and they left it for long. And when Shiba Inu started increasing in price, started losing a lot of zeros, some of these people became millionaires, and someone even make over $5.7 billion on Shiba Inu. Well, the truth is, Shibadoge still have about 15 zeros at the time of recording this video. Now the question is, can Shibadoge really increase and lose a lot of zeros before the year 2022? Well, to me, Shibadoge is going to increase in price before the end of 2024. Well, even though in 2022 we expect Shibadoge to increase in price, but our target here is 2024. The price of Shibadoge is expected to lose between 2 to 5 zeros for the end of 2024. Why we choose 2 to 5 zeros, though it's not easy for Shibadoge to lose 2 to 5 zeros, because $100 investment on Shibadoge will make you a millionaire. But Shibadoge, still have that zero that a lot of people are looking up to. A lot of people believe that these zeros will be it's actually going to increase in price, because a lot of people will be buying Shibadoge just to make sure Shibadoge loses a lot of zeros, and then they can really make some profit with Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge in 2024 is expected to lose between 2 to 5 zeros, and which we believe that Shibadoge can really increase before the end of 2024. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.